So, something kind of embarrassing happened to me, and I was. I took a shower, and, the way the shower works at my apartment, it's like you take a shower and, the whole bathroom floor gets wet because it's not like a separate shower, it's just like a hose with like a shower head, and it just comes down and it goes all over the bathroom. Well, I did my hair and I got dressed and everything. And I went in and I walked into the bathroom and I put my foot down and I went and I turned. It's like just habit, like you reach for the bathroom light. Well, I accidentally turned it off because it was already on. I was like, oh wait, I didn't want to do that. So I went to stop myself from moving to turn it back on. And I guess my foot slipped and I fell down. And it wasn't one of those oh no, and I'm falling. It was just I thudded and I was like, how did I get down here? Yeah. And I was just and then all of a sudden my hand started throbbing and my elbow hurt and it was one of those I didn't realize what had happened. I was just, all of a sudden I was on the floor. Yeah. So it was very embarrassing, and that's the sucky thing about showers in Korea is they just suck. It sucks. I think I'm gonna have to buy a bath mat, and I feel like an old lady with the bath mat, but what's gonna have to happen? Okay, thought y'all find that interesting. All right, bye.